Welcome. In front of me I have the new Xiaomi Smart Band 10 Pro, and I'll be going over unboxing along with a quick look at the Smart Band and just give you my first impressions of this watch, Smart Band. Okay, so let's just get straight into this. Okay, so everything in here, you get some manual, no one cares about that. You get the strap, silicone one, obviously. And here we get the cable for charging, which is magnetic. Love to see those. Garmin should probably take a, inspiration from this. And then the actual band portion itself, the watch portion. So here it is. It's a buttonless design right here, so there's nothing to press right here, which means that to turn it on, let's clip that in. I will need to grab the cable. Plug it in and there we go. And it's now booting up. Oh, that was super quick. Ooh, that's actually pretty nice. So we have pretty decent screen to body ratio right here, very minimal bezels. The display right here is a little bit curved. It has this kind of like 2.5D design, however if you want to call it this way. And the display right here is an AMOLED display, 1.74 inches in size. Let's see, it's a 60 Hertz as well, 1500 nits of brightness, 16 million colors, and 336 pixels per inch of just kind of density when it comes onto the pixels. It's a pretty good display, specifically considering the price of this band, as it is sub $100 band. As always, Xiaomi does offer these like in super affordable price. These are just fantastic, I would say, in general. For how much they cost and what they offer, these are just great. And another thing that is great about them is the battery life. These devices, just generally the Xiaomi bands, have been lasting for ages, and this is, well, no exceptions. So light usage, as they're describing it, is 21 days of battery life. Normal usage, they are claiming 15 days of battery life, and using it with always on display, we're looking at still 8 days of battery life, where the display is just permanently on. These are fantastic metrics right here, something that things like smartwatches from Samsung or other brands will never see, because Google needs to gather all of their data, and that system is just way too inefficient for this. This obviously is designed for efficiency, and the battery life because of that is just superb. Now let me just unclip this. There we go. Now when it comes down to the build, there's been a little bit of improvements from the previous generations, from what Xiaomi claims. So they reduced the thickness of this, which this is already a relatively thin watch, but apparently the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 Pro used to be 10.8 millimeters thick. This one has reduced it by 1.1 millimeters to 9.7 mil in thickness, and it is pretty damn good in terms of thickness. This is roughly what you expect from a relatively low profile watch, like a normal watch I'm talking about, like I have one on my wrist. Though this one obviously is way thicker than 9.7 millimeters. So in terms of the thickness, this should be pretty minimal on your wrist, which is a good thing. What else? So apparently they improved oh, right, it's going to be one of those scams. So they improved the hardness of the display by 20%, but in this case, they most likely reduced the scratch scratch resistance, is it? Or oh, wait, if it's harder, it's more brittle. So this one will now be more brittle in this case. Usually what companies do, the kind of BS, like every year when they release something new, they will be like, oh, it's more scratch resistant now by 20%. And next year you're gonna have like, oh, it's 20% less prone to shatter. And then again, you have another 20% of scratch resistance and stuff like that, right? It's constantly just flipping back and forth between hardness in general, right? So you make the display hard, it becomes brittle, but it becomes more scratch resistant. You make it softer, it becomes more or less scratch resistant, but also less prone to breaking. So this is just kind of a little bit of a scam, but so I can't really give you like accurate metrics for how scratch resistant this is and how shatter resistant it is. In any case, we are looking at 27.6 grams in weight, which is a very light watch. And other than that, you're basically getting everything that you would expect from a Xiaomi band. They're decent amount of watch faces that they have, as they do offer a stupid amount of them. We do have all the kind of exercises, heart rate monitoring, and all that stuff, along with interesting things like, for instance, all-night PPG monitoring. So you have heart rate and all that stuff, and basically sleep quality monitoring. Then it rates this if you're interested in those kind of things, for just telling you how well you sleep and when maybe you wake up and stuff like that. Obviously this offers it, and their application for this is, I would say, okay. I did own a smart band from Xiaomi at one point, and it was a solid band. Their application was okay, though at the times where I was using it, it was a little bit weird in layout. So sometimes it was hard to find what you might have been looking for. I don't know if this hasn't been changed, but the application itself had decent amount of information from all the things that the band gathers on you while you sleep. So in general, it's a fantastic band, and it's super inexpensive. So honestly, if you're looking for something that gives you the time, lasts a decent amount of time to the point that you don't need to constantly worry about, oh, did I forget to charge it or not, and also does the bare minimum of like tracking for exercises and sleep things. Obviously, for less than $100, this is a superb choice, I would say. So anyway, that's about it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.